So I didn't vlog much yesterday since we're pretty much driving the whole time. We stayed at Kat's house, Kat family friend's house. They're really nice. Their house is super nice. Thank you. It's gonna be a fun day today. And it's really early. I'm very tired. Yo, morning.
Yo.
Yo. Yo.
Yo.
So dude.
So dude.
How's sleep?
It was alright. How's the couches?
Dude, it's great.
It was alright.
It was good. We're gonna wake Kat up right now on live stream.
Oh, they did. Alright, well, 7 in the morning, and she said, you gotta wake up early. And we said, okay, but she's still sleeping. And
it's time to wake her up.
I think we should go wake her up. Because it was her idea to wake up early. Kate.
What?
You up?
Yeah, I'm awake.
Oh,
No,
dang
you're
it.
not.
No, you're not. Do it for the live stream.
No.
Can we come in?
I'm gonna change your
Alright boys, what you cooking? Oh, look at those eggs. Got that editing vibe going on.
Are you in a jam? Are you in a jam, bro?
Dude, you know what? You caught me in a jam right now. I'll tell you. Ooh.
Ooh. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh. Yo, rating on the morning.
It's about like a 10 out of 10 right now.
10 out of 10?
I think so.
What about you? No.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Oh, it's a trap! Yo, Cole, say hi to the vlog.
Stop vlog.
We're gonna wake you up
Oh, you were?
in the vlog.
What's she doing, dog? Is she showering?
So,
Oh, okay.
we out. Oh! Skirt. Gonna be a long day today.
Be right back.
I'll just ship it.
Yo, thoughts on this place? 10 out of 10.
Lit.
Lit? 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 Lit?
Foggy AF.
What about you?
It's lit.
It's lit? Oh shit, I dropped my hat, whatever.
Hello darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. Because a vision.
Yo, we here at some place that
There's
we
a
don't
couple
know.
falls and some Drake tears.
Yeah. What is this place called?
Called Waterfalls State Park.
Do we pay for it? No, we didn't. Yo, we're here at the waterfall. Walking down the stairs now. Go to the downfall part area. It's gonna be lit.
It's so lit.
Is it breathtaking?
Honestly, breath gone.
Dude, does it make you sick that you're gonna be ill for the rest of your life?
I'm just gonna die.
Yo guys, you see this waterfall? There's like a whole deep pool area. And we're going in. Yo, this is sick. We're literally walking on. Look at this. Yo! Yo! Oh my god! You fucking serious? Dude, look at this. Woo! Anywhere you gonna say to the people who didn't come to this trip?
You done goofed.
Oh! You're steaming, bro. How's high? On a scale.
I was fucking hype.
Yeah, that was hype.
Hype.
Hella hype.
Hype.
Dope.
Hype beast.
Boom!
Hope that I can turn back the time to make it all alright.
With
You.
zoom it up. So nice now. What the fuck?
Keep seeing my car, it's like, I just wish it was here.
What you want?
Caitlin,
Hey,
pay attention to the road.
I am.
Start, stop, start, stop.
That'd be right.
Yo, we here. We getting some groceries.
Walgreens.
Oh, oh, oh. Time lapse. Yo, we made it!
We out here.
Oh my god, look.
Yo, we out here.
Sudden.
Sadu.
Redoing,
Remaking Andrew Current. We're going to Godstop. Where do we go? This way? Or this way? That one. Private property.
House.
That's the other one.
Beautiful.
Andrew Curran. Hella tired. The hold is 5D. Hold one hand and walk up. So right now, we're walking through the forest. We're almost there. It's gonna be lit. Okay, 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 okay. It's about to get lit in 10 minutes. Holy, look at this. Oh my god. Whoa! That's amazing. Woo! It's rough. Okay, we're going to the Godstone now. Walking through the bush. We're here in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh! Thanks, Andrew. We got to the place.
The place.
The place. It's secret, guys. Don't tell anyone.
Drops the GPS coordinates.
Yeah, the coordinates will be down the link in the description.
Rate, comment, and subscribe.
What?
Give me the thumbs up.
Yeah! Nice.
Yeah,
You good?
Yo, what are your thoughts on this place?
11 out of 10. Good bangs.
Sick.
Beautiful.
Oh, this is so nice. So this is the place. Oh my gosh. Look down there. Oh my gosh. This is so cool.
No hiking go on like our itinerary or something. Yeah. I want me to come up here so I can take screenshots.
Cinematic. Oh yeah. Stand like by the camera.
I kind of miss how it's
Can you tell that I have hair?
Sunset bangers, huh?
Sick. Fist bump.
Oh, that actually worked.
Yo, it was the lit section.
great. It was lit. Everyone. Let's get 1 to 10. 10. 10. What about you, Kat?
11 out of 10.
11 out of 10. What about you, Noah?
Off the scale.
Off the scale, off the chart. What about you? Scale?
What's up? You can see us?
Right now I
Oh
can't.
no harsh light. Oh.
What about you? Rating?
Don't. No, say it.
No rating? No rating?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Gonna go drive back home now. Get some pasta. Lit.
Yo, I forgot to end the vlog yesterday. Gonna end it right now. It's day 3. Gonna start a new vlog. It's gonna end right now.